Hey folks, how's it all going? Welcome back. And oh man, there's the Caveman high heat temperature thing. I'll tell you what, 1500 degrees that gets up to. It's gas operated and it is just an awesome cooker. I've had a lot of questions on this. One question is, how much is it? Now this is at a chain called Menards and it's going right now for 120 bucks. www.menards.com. Take a look at it on there if you're interested in it. It is all stainless steel construction, folks. And you know, one of the questions I'm getting is, can you do reverse sear with that? And absolutely, folks. So we've got our Wherever Go Anywhere set up with some charcoal in there, got some nice smoke going on there. I tell you what, why don't you go take a look at the steak that we're going to put on there, and then when you come back, we'll have that steak on. All right, there's our steak. Oh man, I got 2 nice beef tenderloin, folks. Got a little of that Zang stir fry oil on there. You know, I love that stuff. And then a little bit something here different today. Cindy Lou's steak. This stuff is really kind of good. And I know you're saying steak is just be salt and pepper. Well, you know what, folks? Do whatever you want to your steak. But on my steak, I like Cindy Lou's. So I'll tell you what, let's get it on there. Oh man, smokes are rolling on the Wherever Go Anywhere, folks. I'll tell you what, got it set up Indirect. I've got 2 cookers that really do well in Indirect, and they're both kind of shaped the same way. And one is the Wherever Go Anywhere. Another one, and let's see if you can't show it to you here, is the PK. And that thing right there is an Indirect cooking machine, solid aluminum tub. It'll last forever. So let's take a look at the setup here. I've got charcoal on this side, meat on this side, vent, top vent closed on the charcoal side, bottom vent open on the charcoal side, and then on the meat side, top vent open, bottom vent closed. Let's take a quick look. Yeah, I got 2 nice little pieces of hickory in there, giving off some nice little smoke. Get in there to our steak. We're going to take this up to 110. 110 internal. I got a monitor. I got my thermal pop right there. We're going to take it up to 110, and then we're going to reverse sear it using the Caveman. So stay tuned for that. All right, folks. About 15 minutes later, smoke's still rolling. Really nice. Take a look at the temp. Right there, you can see we're right around the 200. That is perfect. Like I said, 110. 110 is when I'm going to pull this. I'll be using my thermal pop to check it. So stay tuned. All right, folks, we're ready. There they are. So let's put her in there. 5 minutes is all you need to do to keep this thing warmed up. And top shelf. And we're reverse searing right now. I'll give you a look-see. All right, folks, we're about 40 seconds. Let's take a quick look, shall we? Oh my gosh, look at that. So we're gonna do a quick flip and do it one more time. All right, I think we're done here. Got this little handy holder here that pulls things out. Look at that. That is that is seared nicely. Let's get it plated up and we'll give it a look-see. All right, let's let it rest for a couple minutes as it is. Folks, this is the Caveman. I tell you what, this thing for 120 bucks is awesome. Menards.com. Let's take a quick look. Hopefully I got these right. Go right through the center of this one. Nice and tender. Look at that. Oh man. Oh man, oh man. That is perfect right there. Just perfect. That is rare, medium rare. That's not even, that's just perfect. So I'm gonna take a taste test. Hang on. Got that hickory smoke. And then the sear. From the Caveman. Folks, awesome. Tom Horseman YouTube. Thumbs up, leave a comment, and as always, appreciate you watching. Thank you.